How to use LastPass on iPhone. So first is we will need to install and set up the app. To do that, just navigate to your app store. So open up your app store. So I have mine right here. Then just simply click on search, then search for LastPass, just like so. After that, this will pop up. So you will need this one. So LastPass Password Manager. So just simply click or tap on get, then confirm with your Face ID. Then just simply wait until the installation process is finished. Now once it's done, just simply tap on open, and you simply need to go through the process, then log in with your account. So if you don't have any account yet, just simply sign up. But for me, I already have one, so I'm just going to use it. After you have input the details, just simply click on enter. And here you could also use your face as a key or a password. So you don't need to input your master password every time. So every time you unlock your vault, a Face ID will be prompted. And you could also use your Face ID as a recovery to your account if you ever forget your master password. So just simply tap on use Face ID if you want to use this feature. Or you could also tap on I'll do it later if you haven't decided yet. But for me, I'm just going to use it. Then tap on allow, just like that. So I'm just going to disable the notifications since I don't want notifications. And here you could also turn on autofill and also try it out right there, but for me, I'm just going to skip it. And as you can see, this is the interface and what it looks like. And we have our sections right here like passwords, passkeys, secure notes, and other stuff. And if you want to add the new password, just simply tap on the new option here on the top right, and you could either add a password or other items that you want. You could also add a membership card, driver's license, social security number, and a bunch of other stuff. And we also have our security section. So we have our password generator, emergency access, security challenge, security dashboard, and identities. And we also have the settings section right there. And that is how I basically use LastPass on iPhone.